These cherry tomatoes I got from Big Basket, and I'll be collecting the seeds from it, and they taste really very sweet. If you get it in your area, do order them. It's very simple to collect the seeds. You just need to take some water in the any bowl you can take, and instead of cutting it horizontally, make a slit at the base. It's very juicy and pulpy. If you do it in this way, all the seeds come at once. And this tomato flesh is ready to go in the salad. And these seeds will dry on the any paper or towel, and after drying they look something like this. So that's all. It's so easy to collect your own. Now after collecting the seeds, before planting them in any media, make sure that you drench them or give it a proper seed treatment by any fungicide. You can use a biological one like Trichoderma viride and all, or the chemical based one like the SAF, or even the very natural one, that is rock ashes. So they are the good one, antifungal property they have. So maximum the seed germination and the success will be. And this water, after straining, it can be used in the dals or in the soups, so nothing goes waste. Yes, it is true that people do say that tomatoes you can even cut them, or slice them and keep it in the soil, it will germinate. It's true, it will germinate, but since it's wet and there are higher chances of having the fungal infections and all, so it's better to dry them properly in shade and give it a good antifungal powder. See, so beautiful they are looking. The best part of cherry tomato is that you can add them directly. Just you need to wash it properly. That's it. So that is the reason I prefer to use many seeds. Wow. See, so many seeds. So there are two reasons of separating the seeds. One is to collect some seeds for growing my own cherry tomato plants. These are too much. Yeah. And the second reason is it's good to eat the seeds. It has lycopene in it, but even there are studies that says that too much intake of direct seeds or the raw tomatoes increases the chances of kidney stones. So it's better to avoid it. Sometimes it's okay, but when you're eating them as a salad, better to remove it. So here I have separated the liquid, and these are the seeds. I'll just spread them evenly on this tissue paper. You can use any spoon or a knife. Just spread it so that they dry fast. Also, the reason behind collecting these many seeds is I actually don't know what will be the growth rate or the success rate, and every seed won't germinate, so it's a trial. Thank you all for watching, and if you like my method of collecting the seeds, then please do comment and give it a like, and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.